Our next concept is properties of multiplication of matrices. The multiplication of matrices possesses the following properties which we state without proof. The first property is the associative law. For any three matrices, say A, B and C, we have AB into C is equals to A into BC whenever both sides of the equality are defined. Our next property, that is second property, is the distributive law. For three matrices A, B and C, in that first one is A into B plus C is equals to AB plus BC. Second property in that is A plus B into C is equals to AC plus BC whenever both sides of equality are defined. Next property is, that is last third property, is the existence of multiplicative identity. For every square matrix A, there exists an identity matrix of same order such that IA is equals to AI is equals to A. Now, we shall verify these properties by examples. Our first example is, if A is equals to, the 3 by 3 matrix is given having the elements 1, 1, minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 3 minus 1, 2. And B is equals to 3 by 2 matrix is given having the elements 1, 3, 0, 2, minus 1, 4. And C is the matrix given which is of order 2 by 4 having the elements 1, 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 0, minus 2, 1. Find A into BC, AB into C and show that AB into C is equals to A into BC. Here first I will solve the left part, that is AB into C. Next I will solve the right side part, that is A into BC. For this, first I want the AB matrix. So we have matrix AB is equals to the matrix A, it is of order 3 by 3, 1, 1, minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 3, minus 1, 2, and B is of order 3 by 2, 1, 3, 0, 2, minus 1, 4. So here, whether AB matrix is defined or not, see what is the order of this A matrix is 3 by 3, the order of B matrix is 3 by 2. The first matrix columns are equal to second matrix rows, both are equal, therefore the matrix AB is defined. Then the required matrix will be of order 3 by 2. That is 3 rows, 2 columns you will get. That is, first we have to take A11, that is first row, first column. First row from matrix A and first column from matrix B. 1 into 1 plus 1 into 0 is 0 plus minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Same manner, our next element will be A12, that is first row, second column. 1 into 3 is 3 plus 1 into 2 is 2 plus minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. Our next element will be A21, means we have to take the second row from matrix A and first column from matrix B, A21. So 2 into 1 is 2 plus 0 into 0, 0 plus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Our next element will be A22 means second row, second column. 2 into 3 is 6 plus 0 into 2 is 0 plus 3 into 4 is 12. Our next element will be A31 means third row, first column. So we have to multiply corresponding elements, then add. 3 into 1 is 3 plus minus 1 into 0 is 0 plus 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Our next element is A32 means third row, second column. 3 into 3 is 9 plus minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 plus 2 into 4 is 8. So now we have to simplify. Now simplify. 1 plus 0 plus 1 is 2. 3 plus 2 minus 4 is 1. 2 plus 0 minus 3 is minus 1. And 6 plus 12 is 18. 3 minus 2 is 1. 9 minus 2 plus 8 is 15. So this is the required AB matrix. Next I want the AB into C matrix. Now I will find the AB into C matrix. So already we have the AB matrix which is of order 3 by 2, 2, 1, minus 1, 18. And next is 1, 15. Our C matrix will be of order 2 by 4 having the elements 1, 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 0, minus 2 and 1. So now we have to multiply these two matrices to get AB into C matrix. So our AB into C matrix is defined or not. Let's see what is the order of this matrix is of order 3 by 2. The order of this matrix is 2 by 4. Okay, 2 rows, 4 columns. So the required AB matrix, AB into C matrix is defined because the first matrix columns are equals to the second matrix rows. Both are equal. Therefore, our AB into C matrix is defined. Then the required AB into C matrix order will be 3 into 4. So that is 3 by 4 matrix. 3 rows, 4 columns you will get. So our first element will be here. A11, same as usual we have to do. First row, first column, first row from this matrix and first column from this matrix. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 into 2 is 2. Same. Our next element will be A12. First row, second column, 2 into 2 is 4. One into 0 is 0 plus 0. Our next element will be A13 means first row, third column. So 2 into 3 is 6 plus 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Our next element will be A14, that is first row, fourth column. 2 into minus 4 is minus 8 plus 1 into 1 is 1. So our next element will be here A21 means second row, first column. Second row from this matrix and first column from this matrix. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1 plus 18 into 2 is 36. Next is element will be A22 means second row, second column. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2 plus 18 into 0 is 0. Next element will be A23. Second row, third column. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3 plus 18 into minus 2 is minus 36. Our last element, next element will be A24. That is second row, fourth column. Minus 1 into minus 4 is plus 4 plus 18 into 1 is 18. So next element will be A31 means third row first column. 1 into 1 is 1 plus 15 into 2 is 30. Next element will be A32 means third row second column. 1 into 2 is 2 plus 15 into 0 is 0. Our next element will be A33 means third row third column. 1 into 3 is 3 plus 15 into minus 2 is minus 30. Our last element will be A34 means third row fourth column. 1 into minus 4 is minus 4 plus 15 into 1 is 15. So this is the matrix AB into C. Now we have to simplify this. This is equals to AB into C. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 0, again 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. And minus 8 plus 1 is minus 7. Minus 1 plus 36 is 35. Minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2. Minus 3 minus 36 is minus 39. 4 plus 18 is 22. 1 plus 30 is 31. 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 minus 30 is minus 27. Minus 4 plus 15 is 11. This is the required AB into C matrix. Now we calculated the left part of this. Now we have to find the right part. To find the right side part, we required first BC matrix, then multiply this with A matrix. Find now BC matrix. Here the B matrix is this, which is of order 3 by 2, and the C matrix is of order 2 by 4. See, the first matrix columns are equals to second matrix rows, both are same. Therefore, our matrix BC is defined. So, the required matrix BC is of order 3 by 4. So, for 3 by 4 matrix, our first element will be A11. First row, first column, 1 into 1 is 1 plus 3 into 2 is 6. Next is A12 means first row, second column. First row from this matrix and second column from this matrix. 1 into 2 is 2 plus 3 into 0 is 0. Our next element will be A13, that is first row third column. 1 into 3 is 3 plus 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Our next element will be A14 means first row fourth column. First row from this matrix and fourth column from this matrix. 1 into minus 4 is minus 4 plus 3 into 1 is 3. Our next element will be A21. Second row, first column. 0 into 1 is 0 plus 2 into 2 is 4. Next will be A22. Second row, second column. 0 into 2 is 0 plus 2 into 0 is 0. Our next element will be A23. Second row, third column. 0 into 3 is 0 plus 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Next element will be A24 means second row, fourth column. 0 into minus 4 is 0 plus 2 into 1 is 2. Next element will be A31, third row, first column. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1 plus 4 into 2 is 8. Our next element will be A32. Third row, second column, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 plus 4 into 0 is 0. Next element will be A33 means third row, third column, multiply the corresponding elements, then add. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3, plus 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. Or next element will be last element, that is A34. Minus 1 into minus 4 is plus 4, plus 4 into 1 is 4. So now we have to simplify to get the matrix BC. 1 plus 6 is 7, 2 plus 0 is 2, 3 minus 6 is minus 3, minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1, 0 plus 4 is 4, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 minus 4 is minus 4, 0 plus 2 is 2, minus 1 plus 8 is 7, minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2, minus 3 plus of minus 8, that is minus 3 minus 8 is minus 11, 4 plus 4 is 8. So this is the required BC matrix, which is of order 3 by 4. Now let's find the A into BC matrix. The A matrix will be of order 3 by 3, having the elements 1, 1, minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 3, minus 1, 2. And this is our BC matrix. Substitute here. 7, 2, minus 3, minus 1, and 4, 0, minus 4, 2, 7, minus 2, minus 11, 8. So see, the first matrix having the order 3 by 3, and this matrix, second matrix, having the order 3 by 4. So therefore you can see the first matrix columns are equals to second matrix rows. Both are equal. So therefore AB into BC is defined. So what is the required matrix order will be? A into BC is 3 by 4. So let's find the elements of A into BC matrix. In A into BC matrix, the first element will be A11, that is first row. Here from this first matrix we have to take only rows, and this second matrix we have to take only columns. So first row, first column, 1 into 7, 7, plus 1 into 4 is 4, plus minus 1 into 7 is minus 7. This is our A11. Same manner, A12, it is first row, second column, 1 into 2 is 2, plus 1 into 0 is 0, plus minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2. Our next element will be A13. So 1 into minus 3 is minus 3, plus minus 1, 1 into minus 4 is minus 4, plus minus 1 into minus 11 is plus 11. Our next element will be A14, that is first row, fourth column. Multiply the corresponding elements and add. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, plus 1 into 2 is 2, plus minus 1 into 8 is minus 8. Same manner, the next element will be A21, that is second row, first column. 2 into 7 is 14, plus 0 into 4 is 0, plus 3 into 7 is 21. Next element will be A22, second row, second column. 2 into 2 is 4, plus 0 into 0, 0, plus 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Our next element will be A23, second row, third column. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, plus 0 into minus 4 is 0, plus 3 into minus 11 is minus 33. So see, this is our A23 element I was written here, and our last element of this row is A24. That is second row, fourth column. 2 into minus 2 is minus 2 plus 0 into 2 is 0 plus 3 into 8 is 24. So next element will be A31, third row, first column. Third row, first column, 3 into 7 is 21 plus minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. 2 into 7 is 14. Our next element will be A3, 2, that is third row, second column. 3 into 2 is 6 plus minus 1 into 0 is 0 plus 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Our next element will be A3, 3. So A33 means a third row, third column. 3 into minus 3 is minus 9 plus minus 1 into minus 4 is plus 4 plus 2 into minus 11 is minus 22. Our last element will be A34, that is third row, fourth column. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 plus 2 into 8 is 16. Now simplify this to get, it is A into BC matrix. So 7 plus 4 minus 7 is 4. 2 plus 0 plus 2 is 4. Minus 3 minus 4 plus 11 is 4. And minus 1 plus 2 minus 8 is minus 7. 14 plus 21 is 35. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Minus 6 minus 33 is minus 39. Minus 2 plus 24 is plus 22. 21 minus 4 plus 14 is 31. 6 minus 4 is 2. Minus 9 plus 4 minus 22 is minus 27. 3 minus 2 plus 16 is 11. So this is the required matrix AB into C of order 3 by 4. As our next question is to show AB into C is equals to A into BC. See the order of these two matrices. This is of order 3 by 4 and this is of order 3 by 4 again. So both are equal. But see the elements, corresponding elements. First element, all the elements, second, third, fourth. See, all the elements are same. Hence, we proved that, we showed that AB into C is equals to A into BC. That is, it satisfies the associative law. Thank you.